Okay,
I
fine.
mean, after that you'll copy.
Okay, fine. Copy.
Yeah. So you tell.
No. See, today actually, we woke up.
What?
This is our first interaction. Not even first date, all that thing. First interaction.
His side.
In my side only. You can say your side also. But then the true side will also be there. From there.
True side is here.
No, there is always three sides to a story.
No,
My side, your side, and the true side. Okay.
Who said I love you first? Dispute. So it was that stage where we were also talking to each other a lot. So then I told him this is what happening, and then he was like, okay, why can't you just tell about me only, maybe with your dad and mom. So that was the time. Okay, this guy is trying to tell something to me.
गौरी कल्याण वैभोगमे.
I'm glad that we pulled it through, and I feel like now it's like going to be very different. We have actually taken a very big step.
இந்திராணி அம்மன் பாதத்தை தொட்டு ஏற்றமாம் பசும் பாலிட்டார். பன்னீரில் கங்கை ஜலம் கொணர்ந்து பாதத்தை தொட்டலம்பினாள்.
To me, it was actually very like surreal because they were also holding that cloth and hiding it completely. And the first thing that you do as soon as they remove the cloth is you change your garland and you like right. So it was actually a very kind of a peak moment for me. I was going through a lot of emotion that time.
மதிலரங்கன் மாலை அவர் தன் மார்பிலே மாலை சாற்றினாள். கோதை மாலை மாற்றினாள்.
ಮುದ್ದಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
ಪುಟ್ಟು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪುಟ್ಟು
ಪುಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಪುಟ್ಟು.
ಪುಟ್ಟನೆ.
ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. ಅಜ್ಜ
ಹಿರಿಯರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಹಳ ಆಸೆ.
ಹಿರಿಯರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಸೆ.
பொன்னூஞ்சலில் பூரித்து பூஷணங்கள் தரித்து ஈஸ்வரனாரிடத்தில் ஆசைகள் ரொம்ப வைத்து கண்ணூஞ்சல் ஆடி இருந்தாள்.
ಇಡೀ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಮುದ್ದಾಗಿದ್ದವಳು. ಅಪ್ಪಂಗಂತೂ ತುಂಬ. ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಜ್ಜಿ. ಚಿಕ್ಕದಿದ್ದಾಗ ಊಟ ಅಪ್ಪನೇ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದ ಸಣ್ಣವನಿದ್ದಾಗ.
ಎಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಖುಷಿನೂ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಒಂಥರ ಬೇಜಾರು ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದು. ಅಕ್ಕನ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದು ಹೇಳಿ ಖುಷಿ ಇದ್ದು, ಆದ್ರೆ ಅಕ್ಕ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳಿ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನೋಡೋಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳಿ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗ್ತಿದ್ದು.
மாங்கல்யம் தந்த जीवनहेतुना कण्ठे बध्नामि शुभगे त्वं जीव शरदर्शतम्
It was just collective of moments. This day was like something else for us. This is what all I prayed for, I think. And yeah, I'm here. I'm very happy. And even my parents are. And I'm getting a good guy and also a good family.
मङ्गलं भगवान् विष्णु मङ्गलं गरुडध्वज मङ्गलं पुण्डरीकाक्ष मङ्गलाय तनोहरे आनन्दमानन्दम् आनन्दमे परमानन्दम् आनन्दमे नाम सीद पूजा फलम् इन्द्रे बलितदम्मा नाम सीद पूजा फलम् इन्द्रे बलितदम्मा आनन्दम् आनन्दम् आनन्दमे परमानन्दम् आनन्दम् आनन्दमे आनन्दम् आनन्दम् आनन्दमे परमानन्दम् आनन्दम्